Here we want to look at the rules for exponents, but I'm using a mixture of the rules. So how do I know what to do first? Well, think order of operations. I want to do parentheses. I definitely need to do this exponent before any multiplication. So in the parentheses, yeah, nothing cancels, but whenever I have a chance to, I like to try to get rid of the negative exponent, just because those are usually one of the more troubling parts of the problem for people. And they're easy to get rid of because I remember, oh, it means the reciprocal. So y to the first moves to the bottom if it's on the top and I'm taking the reciprocal. So then next, I can look at this exponent comes before multiplication. And first, I'll just take care of the negative, so the reciprocal. See how it's on the whole thing? So I'm taking the reciprocal of the whole thing. So 2z to the third y ends up on the top, and x to the third ends up on the bottom. Now notice that didn't get rid of the exponent, it just got rid of the negative that was on the exponent. So now I can put everything in here to the third, especially don't forget the top and the bottom, and especially the coefficients out front. I realize they're not as tempting because they don't have an exponent to attach it to, but it does. It's like 2 to the first. All right, so 2 to the third is 8. Z to the third, so 3 groups of 3 gives me 9. And y to the third is y to the third. And on the bottom, 3 groups of 3x's is 9. And so now I'm okay to multiply by this. And remember, this is a whole number, right? It doesn't have a denominator, so it's really all going on the top. So then if I think, well, what's going to cancel? 1x on the top and 9 on the bottom will leave me with 8 on the bottom. This 1 will cancel one of these. 8 over 1, there's nothing to reduce with the coefficient. And then z to the 9th and z to the 5th give me z to the 14th. Because they're all on the top, so they're multiplied by each other, and there's nothing to combine with the y. So 8z to the 14th, y to the 3rd, all over x to the 8th.